Welcome to 5300 Morning Sage here in Pacific Highlands Ranch, Carmel Valley. This is a beautiful property listed by yours truly, Compass team, and it is a $3.3 million home, I would say mansion, here in San Diego. Beautiful home. I'll tell you a little bit more about it and why I think it's going to sell pretty quick. Some of the cores and features. But for example, the open space, so you're going to get tons of light in every single day. The sun comes from there, sets on that side. It's beautiful, very open. Walking to the living room, as you can see that they are celebrating the holidays. You can see Christmas tree or New Year's tree. I really like the design and the staging that they have here. Very nice. I believe the wife did it, of course. But let me show you the kitchen, which I personally love. The kitchen has a huge area where you can just cook and hang out with friends. Like this table alone, you can probably fit around 8 chairs if you really wanted to. Everything here is upgraded. It's a $3.3 million home. They bought it a couple of years ago and they're looking to move to a bigger home. I know it's crazy. It's a 4,300 square feet home. It feels bigger than that, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. One of the rooms I really like in this house is the gym. So they have this machine, which I don't really know what it's called, but it looks really nice. They have all the accessories right here, so you can work out from home, which is what they do on a daily basis. The Peloton bike, so when you're biking, you can always see yourself in the mirror. I really like the mirrors that they put in this house. Of course, you got the garage in there. The backyard, I've seen a lot of backyards here in Pacific Highlands Ranch, but to me, this one takes the cake because first of all, you have turf, low maintenance, you don't have to worry about it. If you have kids, it doesn't have a pool, so it would be great to host parties, family, friends to come over. You can barbecue right there, you can hang out. You got a fridge, I believe you got a dishwasher too. You got a barbecue, you can wash your hands, wash the meat, whatever you need. And my favorite backyard feature is right here. It's the water fountain that's coming out. If I lived here, I would sometimes just sit on outside. Actually, I would sit right here and just look at the sky and listen to the water and just enjoy life and feel like I made it in a $3.3 million home. It's very calming, it's very soothing. And your neighbors are very quiet in this neighborhood. At night, you don't hear many cars drive. It's very secluded. If you don't know about this area, you'll most likely not be in this area or not drive by because it's very inland and very quiet. They put some cactuses on the side. You see the master room up there. So it's very typical in Carmel Valley, especially in this neighborhood, to block this door off and create an ADU, additional dwelling unit. So as you can walk in, you can see there's a full bathroom and shower in this room. So it could use for an ADU. And sometimes they also put like a kitchen area over here to make it a full ADU. You have closet storage where you can also convert it and put a washer and dryer. So you can just wash and clean your clothes. But this is beautiful because this is a pretty large bedroom and it also has tons of sunlight throughout the day. So it doesn't feel as cluttered and as small as it is. And in this area alone, you can get between $2,500 and $3,000 just for this unit alone. So if you want to offset your mortgage, that'd be a great choice. I do like the finishes and the wood that they chose for the flooring as well. This to me, if I lived here, this would be a great family area to just hang out. Or if you have family, friends, or any parties too, you can just watch movies here. It's a pretty large TV, very calming, very nicely here. You have another bedroom here. And the whole house is 5 bedroom, 5.5 bathrooms. And all the bathrooms are en suite. So that means that they have full shower and bathroom as well. So I'm guessing the person is working from home and this is one of the rooms. And like I said, every single bathroom has a shower, which is pretty nice and pretty big. Okay, come with me, I'm gonna show you a few more bedrooms. So I kind of like the paint on the walls. What do you think? It's very unique. It's not like the typical bright color, but this room, I know it's just two owners of the property. They live here by themselves. I think this is the wife's room. I think it's very, very cute. It will be a perfect podcast studio or just a podcast or content creating area. Very soothing. You got the candles. Very, very cute. My wife would love this. And then of course we have the bathroom here. Very clean. Also have a shower. And then I think the third or the fourth bedroom. This bedroom is a little bit bigger. Another great area where you can get work done. And also, as you can see throughout the whole house, you get tons of sunlight. And that's something that not many houses in San Diego and just overall in Pacific Highlands Ranch get it, because sometimes there's houses on top of each other. But this is on the end of the street. So you get the whole sun throughout the day. And area where you can chill. Another bathroom with a walk-in shower. No, actually it's not a walk-in, but it's a great shower. Every bathroom here has a shower, which is amazing.
You mean every bedroom?
Huh?
Every bedroom has a bathroom?
I mean, yeah, every bedroom has a bathroom. And now we're gonna go see the master. But before we see the master, let me show you the powder room. With lights. Let me turn them on for you guys. I personally, if I lived in a home like this, I would put 2 washer and dry if I had a big family, but because it's just the 2 of them, this will do just fine. Great companies, LG and Samsung have the best washer and dryers. So
but they even have
pretty spacious. They even have a coffee machine in the washing area, which is crazy to me. But let me show you the master, where the sauce is. Welcome to your master here in 5300 Morning Stage. It is beautiful, plenty of space. You do get the sunlight in this room as well, even though it's on the other side. And the bathroom is incredible. It is huge. You got the bathtub, you got his and hers, and then of course the huge, huge shower. I can probably fit me and 3 more people in there easily and have a party, you know? And then of course we have the closet, which is pretty spacious. I think this is her closet. And let me show you his closet. And from the bedroom you can see the backyard, which when I told you guys I would look at the master sometimes, you can actually see the fountain, the water fountain from your bedroom. Isn't that cool? You got the mirror to look at yourself every single day before you go to the gym. You gotta make sure you look good. And then you do have a huge, huge area for him, for all of his clothes. This is incredible. Alright guys, I really enjoyed showing this home. It's a beautiful home here in Common Valley. If you are looking to move anywhere in San Diego, I would love to show you, especially private exclusive. And if you want to see this home or even put an offer on it, I would love to tell you more about it. In the description below, there's all my contact information. If you're looking to buy or sell, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to serve you, I'm here to help you. And until then, до свидания.